What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be the power steering pump. Yeah. So it has a leak, stopped working, steering's hard. We're gonna get all that fixed. I don't shop anymore. I'm in my garage. I just got the pump. They just brought it to me. So I'm gonna get that on the bracket. My little garage. People that know me also know that I'm a barber, so I do cut hair too. So I'm gonna get that on. So I got the pulley in, so it's already on there. Pumps on there, bracket. I used my Lyle pulley installer and remover. So that's what I used. So I'll be doing a giveaway. I got this gear wrench through ratchet set. I got the 1/4 inch, got the 3/8. They're both brand new in the box. Probably do a first price, second price kind of thing. I'm gonna be posting that on my Instagram. I have a link down on the description, so go check out my Instagram, Silver Street Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment. So I just got the new pump on. New pump right there. Just gonna wash it, get all that oil off, all that power steering fluid. Pero ya quedó.